Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually going to take you all on a tour in my three-bedroom duplex apartment. I know I actually promised you, and then I have a few people asking me, when are you showing us your apartment? Okay, so today you get a chance. Let's go to each and every room, and I hope you all enjoy it. Stay tuned.
Okay, guys, so that's how the outside looks like. Okay, and I just bought some few things as you can all see outside. So we are now going inside, so we can see that the whole place is new, just as I said. We have some rubber on the staircase that shows that's brand new. And I actually love this staircase because it's so wide and it's very comfortable. Like when you're bringing stuff inside, it's not really, difficult moving stuff up and down and all that. So, yes, guys, it was really easy having to bring things upstairs. And then that's the washroom. That's a visitor's washroom. So it's just the sink and then the toilet, basically. That's it. So that's how it looks like. So I'm actually taking you guys to the hall now. So just as I said, you have to furnish the house. Okay, you have to get your own couch and own television and any other thing that you want to have it in the hall as well. So that's how big the hall looks. Small but very comfortable, not too small actually. Yeah, and then that is the door to the kitchen. Okay, so the downstairs is your kitchen, it's your hall, and then you have your balcony. So that is the kitchen, my beautiful kitchen, and that is the balcony behind. Okay, a lot of space, a lot of room. Yeah, so you get a few things at the kitchen as well, just as I said. So I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So that is the washing machine. Okay, it's a washer and it's a dryer as well, so you don't have to get any dryer, you get everything. That's my sink, and then you're going to get some cupboard, and that is what I actually got. I know it's literally the same plan. And then that's the dishwasher. Yeah, so I just opened it, it's brand new, everything. Just have to take off everything. I still haven't used it till now. Funny me, African woman. And then your stove, you have your grill, and also your oven under the grill as well. Yeah, so you guys can see, I don't have to say it again, it's all new. And then I just love the way the drawers are. You can see this one for your cutlery and all that, everything put in sets for you. And then some more space under this as well. So you got some more space under this as well, where you have your documents that they're actually going to give you. And that's my welcome pack. So you had some chocolates, and then some, and we also had a key holder and some documents that you need to have. I just love the space in the kitchen. It's so spacious that you can keep a lot of things wherever. Yeah, so you can all see the fan and all those things. And also you're going to get a fridge and a freezer. Okay, so that is the fridge, and then under there is a freezer, so you can choose to buy additional freezer if you want. That's fine. That's fine. They don't limit you on what to get in your house or anything. You can, you know make the home as you want it, and that's your store area as well. If you want to make some cabinet or anything simple that you can store your produce, you can just do that as well. So that's my kitchen. It's very huge and comfortable, and that is the entrance. Okay, so when you're coming up, just like I showed you, that's how you see the kitchen. It's very comfortable. So we have the kitchen, the store, the hallway for the downstairs, the hall, the kitchen, and then your balcony. Okay, sorry I didn't take you guys to the balcony, just to give some privacy to other tenants as well. At least I showed you guys a bit of it. Okay, so we are now going upstairs just to have a quick look in the rooms. So you have all three rooms at the top. Okay, so this is the first one. Yeah, so that's how I think this is actually the smallest room, I think. Yeah, so you can see the cupboard. Yeah, so each and every room has a wardrobe as well. So yeah, and that's the view from outside. Did I say cupboard? Sorry guys, it's just a wardrobe. Yeah, so that's the view from outside. You can see other projects actually ongoing that now it's way, that time it was just the foundation. Now they are almost through, guys. So just be on the lookout just in case they release those projects as well. And what I actually love about this rooms is that they all come with curtains, blinds. So at least even if you're not prepared to get yourself some new curtains, at least you have some blinds to help you out just for the time being. But personally, I love blinds, so I was actually cool. And that's the second room. You can also see a wardrobe there, and then that's the second washroom, okay, for the family. So that's the bath. I actually don't really fancy bath, but my kids do. So that's how the place, and it's so huge and so comfortable as well. You got your sink, you got your toilets, it's quite comfortable and not too small, actually very comfortable, I should say. Yeah. And then you have the storeroom, okay. That's the second story. You have the boiler and all that, just to keep a few things on the floor, but not to overload the place, because it has a boiler and the heating, in there. And then we have the master bedroom, okay. So that's very huge and very, very comfortable. You can get an extra wardrobe in there, and make it your own, make it your own. Very beautiful. And I also love the view from my side as well. Yeah, so that's where you can keep like an extra wardrobe if you want. You can see the space is very huge, and very comfortable room, actually, very, very comfortable room. So that's it. One thing I actually like about the cost rental is that at least the place is not finished. You get some things, yes, but truthfully it's not finished. You can see my view from outside. Yeah, you can see my view from outside. Yeah, so you can, I have the other tenants also outside. Yeah. Yes, guys. So at least, just as I was saying earlier, that you are able to buy your own stuff. Then when you are finally done with mortgage, when you are going, at least yeah, that everything belongs to you. So just to take you guys outside, just to give you a quick tour about how the estate looks like. I'll try as much as possible to make it quick, because I don't want to show you guys too much. Okay, for the sake of um my neighbor. So that's how the car park is. And with the car park, guys, there is no one is actually it's not designated to anyone. You can park anywhere at all, okay. So yeah, that's it. So huge, all the way up there down the next apartments, and you can have this side for summer, and that is a view from outside. You have your balcony, and also the down balcony as well for the close downstairs as well. So yeah, it's very comfortable and so nice. And then yeah, so I'm actually going to end here, and that is the place for parking of the motorbike, bicycle, and all that. So yeah, and the far end is where you have your rubbish slots where you can dump everything. So it's a nice estate, very beautiful, very comfortable. I know you guys actually love it. So, guys, that's my sister Wendy helping me to clean the house. I got all my sisters in the house helping out, and that is Sekina, guys. If you haven't seen Sekina, that is Sekina. She's actually been so helpful as well, Sekina. Thank you so much. Trying to get her face, guys. So, I just wanted to also add this video to say a big thank you to all my sisters, my friends, that came around to help me out. I said, yeah, all my sisters actually. Yeah, so that is Linda, thank you so much, I appreciate you. And then I got Sekina, helping, they were just helping to clean the house back and forth. That's Wendy, that's her face, see her face well. Oh, please, she's single. And that's Evelyn, thank you so much. And those are some few things I actually bought from there, um the charity shop, trying to get some stuff, and also some places as well, some furniture shop. I'm actually going to do a video about that as well. So that is, I think I've already showed you guys Linda. Yeah, that's Linda. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys loved it, because I do love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, so I know you'll be asking, how much is Lucinda paying for this apartment? So it's outside the city, but not too far from the city. Okay. So on a normal day, it's going to cost like a 2,200 or 2,500 to get this type of apartment. Okay. So because it's cost rental, I'm paying 1,150 euros each and every month. So it's very affordable. It's very good for a family person. and it's so comfortable and very spacious. Glad you all like it. If you did really enjoy this video, remember to drop a comment at the comment section. Also remember to hit a like, share this video, and always stay connected. See you all soon on my next video. Bye.